Construction is challenging because it forces you to use your mind a lot. In construction, we put up siding, put up drywall. We just build a house, really.
Say the first year, we talk about excavation and foundations and framing and roofing and siding and installation of exterior windows and doors. You come back to me for a second year, and then that's when we do all the interior work, where we do the electrical, the plumbing, the heating, drywall, setting interior doors, trim work and setting cabinetry work and flooring. So the kids get a good variety of building a house if they're with me for 2 years.
It's pretty hands-on. He shows us how to do something, we go back and do it.
I chose to get into construction because I won't have to go through years of schooling and I can just get straight to the job.
So career paths: electrician, a plumber, someone who works with HVAC systems and ductwork, a framer, a roofer, a sider, maintenance personnel at a place. So whether it might be a hospital or Moorbark, maintenance type of work. So they get a little bit of everything. So my biggest goal is give them the skills and tools and knowledge to get their foot in the door on one of those trades or trade areas.